This is an update of a previous news story we brought to you. Another victim succumbed to injuries in St. Anne early morning crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Another person has succumbed to their injuries from the two-vehicle crash along the Laughlands Main Road in St. Anne on Friday morning. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News are that at about 8:30 a.m., a Toyota Wish motor car collided with a Guardsman bus transporting workers, which left multiple injured. Further reports revealed that Alwyn Simmet from Stairtown in the parish succumbed to injuries while being treated at the hospital moments after the incident. In addition, Links 007 TV News understand that during the publication of our previous report, another person succumbed to their injuries. The identity of the deceased has not yet been released. At least 13 other people remain hospitalized from the crash. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.